Okay, so to find the plumbing issue from downstairs leaking through the ceiling, we came and had to tear the wall out because this supply line right here that I'm going to point out with my finger, this one goes up here and turns. Right behind this board is where it connects into the supply line for your shower supply line. Well, back there is where the leak has started, where the two come connected or get connected, and it drenched the floor down there. Okay, the floor is soaking wet, so all that has to be changed out. And then over here in the bathroom, the floor is completely damaged and waterlogged. And we're going to have to pull the floor out in here and change that out as well in this bathroom. So these are the damages that we've got upstairs in the plumbing, and it has to be repaired. So we're going to buy the parts and pieces to repair the plumbing, repair the rug, and replace the floor in the bathroom, and we'll be back to functional and repaired. We will take a moisture sample off the floor. It looks like some of the boards got wet downstairs, but we may be able to dry it with a large dryer. We don't know yet. We're going to try drying it first with a large dryer. If that doesn't work and it looks like the moisture content is still too high on the boards, we'll have to replace the boards on the floor downstairs. This is the floor downstairs that has been uncovered. And you can see the board is still soaking wet all the way to here in the ceiling, all the way across. There's another board that's bad. You can see that all the way across. And then another board here. So it's still dripping water, and it's probably going to be dripping all the way to the end over there where it meets the other wall. Okay. So that's from that water supply line that's right there. Right there, that water supply line going in through the ceiling right there. Up here is got water leaking through this. You can see it right here. It's going through the ceiling right there. And that's where the water's coming from that line. And when we went up and I showed you the one inside the wall, it's coming down to this line right here. So that's the line right there. We just followed that line into the closet. And that's where the leak's at. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.